Alright guys, I don't know how well you can hear me, but today we're out at Cleetus and Cars, and it's actually, today we're out at Burnout Rivals. Now, this is probably the biggest and most professionally run burnout comp in America, and I'll tell you what, this is a sellout crowd, and it's one of those deals where you get one run. If you make a mistake, you're done. Run by the Australian rules, so a lot of our judging criteria is obviously implemented here, which it feels good because I know exactly what they want, and I know I should have a good idea about how to do well in each category. And you know, I'm excited to have my runs once again. I'm having 2 runs in the Rivals and the Pro, and you know, it's something that is just refreshing to come here and have a good time and really try our best. And obviously last year we won both classes, and that was honestly a bucket list moment and a really cool time. So we're just we're trying to do that again. There's no secret about that. But the boys are stepping it up. All these American guys are really starting to step it up. So we got to be on an A game. One little mistake, we're in front of a massive crowd. I'm talking all the grandstands are packed. So we don't want to make a mistake. We want to put on a good show. And obviously we got one shot to do it. No redemptions, no second chances. One shot per class. And yeah, we're not too far away from going out for our first rip. So I'm going to check this car over and find my helmet and send it.
Hey, what up, say? One time for the hometown, I got love for it, that's real. 2 times for the haters, man, cause I notice how this shit feel. 3 times for my family, dog, cause this shit done paid our bills. And I get 4 times my net worth from a year ago with no deals. Did it all by myself, I don't need nothing. Dropped 100 songs, I'ma keep coming. Remember times they wouldn't reply, now they all hit me like they need something. Labels hit me, now they see something, but I told them all, you ain't seen nothing. I've been putting all the work in, if you ain't sawing with me, you ain't read nothing. How it is, I don't make the calls. Gas it up, shit about to blow, make 1 million. I got 1 million flows, I'm 1 million shit with 1 million goals. Time ticking, now I hear it, dawg. I don't say it, but I seen it all. Seen the post and I seen the hate, so when it hit me now, I ignore the calls. No time for it, just being honest. Way back, I said I got it. Same guy, same shit, nothing changed. Set the pockets, money came, I got the profits. Bet it all, put it on us. In the past, I said I'm next, but I'm here now, I was being honest. 1 time for the hometown, I got love for it, that's real. 2 times for the haters, man, cause I notice how this shit feel. 3 times for my family, dog, cause this shit done paid our bills. And I get 4 times my net worth from a year ago with no deal. 1 time for the hometown, I got love for it, that's real. 2 times for the haters, man, cause I notice how this shit
in the passenger seat of the LUXIFER truck. So you saw Chase do his own burnout earlier. He's riding in the passenger seat, which is actually the left seat. do some singing.
You got a little bit because we're going to clean up this pad.
How about we just do this? Let's just do a big crowd. Hell yeah, brother!
I love it, man. Wow. All right. The judges are going to have to score that out. Woo. Kyle just laid it down. I thought I had a good run, but he laid it down. Great job.
Yeah, we can now.
Luckily, it's up to the judges.
I'd like them to bring everybody back.
I do have the winners of the open class right now tonight. And then, just so everybody knows, we have about a 30 just because I want to remind everyone that although my name and some of my other guys might be on this list, we do not take the payout. So, even if we place fifth, the payout for number 5 has been bumped up to number 6. I want to make that very clear. Alright? Number 3, Jackson Jimmy. Alright, I'll tell you this. Number 1 and 2 is myself and LUXIFER.
Yeah!
Who thinks it's going to toast? Who thinks it's going to LUXIFER?
Yeah!
Ladies and gentlemen, the winner of the Free 500 2024 Burnout Rivals Pro Class, number 1, taking home the money, Kyle. Congratulations, your Sue's girl. You got 4 ball eagles. All right, guys, let's hear it for all of the Burnout competition competitors. I think they did a great job. Let's get it
One time for the hometown, I got love for it, that's real. 2 times for the haters, man, cause I notice how this shit feel. 3 times for my family, dog, cause this shit done paid our bills. And I get 4 times my net worth from a year ago with no deals.